Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the benchmark test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2T versus iQOO 7 device. So in this video, I'm going to use the latest benchmark version, which is a 9.4.3, and let's find out Dimensity 1300 processor versus Snapdragon 870 processor, how much difference we can actually see regarding the benchmark scores. And this is also the test of the recent couple of software updates as well between these both phones. And let's see friends how much difference we can actually see regarding the temperatures and regarding the overall benchmark scores. And one more thing I forgot to mention, I will be using with the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2T. The main reason is because in the OnePlus phones, if you don't use any kind of high performance mode, the benchmark scores will be very much decreased, maybe close to even 1 lakh it will be decreased. So that's the reason I'm trying to use the high performance mode while performing this kind of testing in the OnePlus Nord 2T. And in the iQOO 7 device with monster mode and without monster mode. So first let me change this live wallpaper to the normal wallpaper. Right now, as you can see friends, the benchmarks has been started successfully between these both phones at this moment, using the same benchmark version 9.4.3 at this moment between these both phones. And I'm going to be back after some time just to check the temperatures. So in the beginning it's of 30 degrees and 28 degrees Celsius, so which is not bad. And again I'm going to check the temperatures after some time. Then let's find out, so is there any kind of change regarding the temperatures, how much difference we can actually observe between these both processors, Snapdragon 870 and the Dimensity 1300 chipset. So I'm going to be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, regarding the temperatures between these both processors, after 54% regarding the benchmark test, and clearly you can see the temperatures 36 degrees Celsius in the OnePlus Nord 2T and 33 in the Snapdragon 870 in the iQOO 7 device. So definitely there is a difference regarding the temperatures between these both mobile phones regarding the processor as well. But this is the latest benchmark version which I'm trying to use, and I will be back at the end of the benchmark test results after some time. So finally friends, this is the benchmark scores between these both mobile phones, OnePlus Nord 2T and the iQOO 7 device. You can see with the Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1300. So this actual difference is there between these both phones in terms of the benchmark wise. You can see. And regarding the temperatures also 36 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Overall, these are the temperatures has been increased between these both processors during this time of testing as well. And CPU scores were pretty good on the iQOO 7 device. You can definitely see here friends, in the iQOO 7 smartphone, the CPU scores are really great in the iQOO 7, and the GPU also you can see slightly kind of higher in the iQOO 7 device at this moment. So regarding the temperatures, you can see 37.3 is the highest in the OnePlus Nord 2T and 35.2 is the highest in the iQOO 7 device. That's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions between these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, signing off and bye.